In this tutorial, we'll show you how to teach your clients to meal plan for themselves. Providing your clients with a collection of hand-picked recipes and a blank meal plan is a great way to provide autonomy and put the power of meal planning into your clients' hands. Our features make this a seamless process for you and your clients. Start by creating a collection of recipes based on your client's needs. Head to the Recipes tab and apply your desired filters. For example, I'm going to search for recipes that are low glycemic and high in calcium. I'll start with breakfast and move my way to lunches, dinners, and snacks so that my client has a variety of recipes to choose from. To add any recipe to your collection, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. If you haven't yet created your collection, click on Create Collection and name your collection. From there, add your recipe. If you'd like to add multiple recipes to your collection at one time, use our Select feature. Check all of the recipes you'd like to add and click the Add to Folder icon. Once all of your desired recipes are added, create a blank meal plan. Click on the planner and select New, and then Blank. Give your meal plan a title and select any SMART rules that apply. For this example, we'll want to add our low glycemic tag here as we want to ensure our client's recipe selection matches the rules we set for them. Setting these rules ensures that if your client decides to use the swap feature, they will only be provided low glycemic recipes. Once your rules are set, add this blank plan with SMART rules to the collection with the recipes. Click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. Choose your collection and select Add. Once your collection contains the recipes and blank plan, click Share. Toggle the link sharing to on and be sure to allow edits. Turn on any other permissions you'd like your client to have. If you'd like to provide a greeting or any other further instructions for your client, use attachments. Select attachments from the top and click on New or Add Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message that provides instructions on how to meal plan, so we'll choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message into the content area. If you'd like to speed up this process, use our snippets that have already been created. Be sure to personalize it as needed. To save, click Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they log in, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. Once your permissions and attachments are set, be sure to copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. When your client clicks on the link, they will see the message that you pinned, as well as the recipes you provided, along with the blank plan. When they click on the plan, they can start to build it out with the recipes that you have provided them. As the practitioner, you'll be able to see what your client chooses to add to their meal plan, so you can provide them with feedback and even edit their plan if they need some extra guidance. This is a great way to empower your clients and teach them the skill of meal planning while still providing them with the meal ideas that meet their needs. You can continue to add new recipes and blank plans to this collection on a regular basis if you are working with a client over a longer period of time. This is also a great tool for client retention to keep clients engaged on a weekly or monthly basis with new recipes and plans. And that's how easy it is to teach your clients how to meal plan.